We have the time machine at Seabreeze. Now it's gonna wind them back, wind them around like a clock as the time machine theme. Let's speed it up. Let's see it really. Let's give the time machine a try here. All right, here we go for the time machine. Time machine at Seabreeze. We got you the on ride. It's gonna wind us up a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yep. Woo! Oh, one more? Nope. So it winds us around like winding up an old clock, as this is an old amusement park.
Yeah. You okay? Let's do another week. Come back.
Seabreeze. We're gonna speed it up a little here. That's the time machine. So that was the time machine. Seabreeze Amusement Park, Irondequoit, New York. Please like and subscribe. Off ride and on ride POV.